Hello everyone, welcome to another video with 99 reviews. Today, I am going to share 5 iPhone rarest tricks which you have never seen before. These tricks are really powerful and useful, so let's start the video. The first trick is in Notes app. Now you can print your notes easily. Write any note and then tap on that share button. Scroll down and tap on print. Now the notes are in printed form. You can save these notes to files by tapping on Share on the top and then again scroll down and tap on Save to Files. In this way, printed form of notes will save to files. Second trick is about accidental closing of tabs. While using Safari, if you accidentally close the tab and then want to open that tab again, you simply have to tap and hold that plus icon and all the recent tabs which were closed appears here. You can reopen these tabs again from here. Third one is in Shortcuts and it's about orientation lock. In some apps you want to turn on orientation lock. By this shortcut, when you open that app, it will automatically lock the rotation. To do this, go to Automation, then New Automation. Here find Apps section, select Run Immediately, click on Choose, and here choose the app in which you want orientation lock. Then tap on Done, and then next, here, search Orientation Lock and select it. Tap on Toggle and turn it on. Now, whenever I open the app which I selected, Orientation Lock will turn on automatically. The fourth one is finding words if you want to find words while reading any article. For example here, I want to find the word iPhone, how many times this word is present in that article. Simple tap on that word and then select Find Selection and it will find all the similar words for you. The last trick is one of my favorite. In this trick you have to edit one picture and then Apple the same editing to bunch of pictures or videos. You simply have to tap and hold the picture and copy the editing. Then select pictures and videos on which you want to apply editing. Then tap on 3 dots and then select Paste Editing. By this way, all the pictures and videos got the same editing. So these are some very useful and rare tricks of iPhone. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.